Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Tibaldi Goes Modworks. Bit of a different one for you for this. I mean, you might have recognised. It's a Tamiya, my old Tamiya Churchill that I built. I can't remember if I did a video on it, but I will. I didn't do a video on the kit. However, it's been loitering up the top, gathering dust, because the tracks disintegrated on me. So took me a while, but I managed to source a new set of rubber band tracks from someone, a dealer on eBay. Now, obviously, they're the weldable type, not the gluable type. So, got my soldering iron set at 225. Now this proves I've got it cack-handed. Hold on a minute. Put that back in there. Oh dear, this is all going wrong. Hold on a minute. Should have planned this a bit better. So, like so. Don't try this at home, kids. So that's then the tracks together. I don't know how long that will last, but hey ho. So obviously the trick is to have a low temperature soldering iron, like that one, which is a Antex soldering iron, available in the UK. It's at about 225. It's a bit quicker than using a hot screwdriver or something like that, or a knife or whatever, whichever's your chosen weapon of choice. Now it's very important that we get the soldered part in the centre like that. Get the drive sprocket on there. Locate the wheel, and there we go. Obviously most of this track's going to be hidden, so I'm not going to even bother with it weathering it, and then we can get the top half. Click it in there. Click it in there. She gone in? Yep. And put that on there. Then fiddle about with the tracks. This lovely little bit of chain that I used for the And there we go. And there we have a finished Churchill. I think it's Mk.VII actually, this one. So yeah, I will say of this kit, it is a lovely kit, very old, but it does go together very well. I mean, obviously, you've got the crocodile version of it. It shows its age with the motorised chassis. But yeah, she's done. MRP paints were used. And a floory wash. This is a dark dirt wash. Then we had all the stowage that came with the kit, and you could apply that, which I did. And then we put the decals down, which is fairly simple affair, putting the decals down. This one I did as in Incini. If you know what, if you know Boudica, you know what the Incini are. So yeah, obviously brass aerials. Yeah. So that's that. But actually, technically, it's my first. That was my first 1/35 scale kit. So on that bombshell, I'll pause it there. I'm going to put on a spinny thing outside and do a justice on that, and say bye for now. Take 2 this is, because for take 1 I just realised the track wasn't on properly. Oops, my bad. I'm still thinking the tracks are on wrong, but never mind. Spinning it round. Where it stops nobody knows. Now this is a kit that I mean for a kid who's going to start into building armour, I would recommend any of these 1/35 scale Tamiya kits, especially the old ones. They're very cheap, very reasonable. You've seen it with my Bulldog, the M41 Bulldog, Walker Bulldog. Again, that was a vintage kit. I mean, that was over 50 years old. This one is getting on that way. It's 1977, so it's older than it's about Moz's age, or a little bit older than Moz. That's Moz 6510 models. Yeah, but obviously the lesson to be learnt why I had disintegrated tracks is don't put lacquer paint on them, because it attacks them. Oops. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, and bye for now.